Good morning. It's like 11. I'm about to go to brunch, and it's 60 degrees outside. All right, y'all. I got my Telfar. Got my pup. I'm about to just take out because I need to get the stuff out of it. But I want to show you guys what's in it. So first we have my mask. It just says Chardazy on it. Got a receipt. All these strings are weird because I stuffed them in there kind of, but got a receipt because I went to a place named the Biscuit Bar earlier, which y'all see. Got my little card holder, my ID and stuff on it. Is that it? Dang, that's it. Usually I would have like my phone in there too, and it fits in there, and then that's what the inside looks like. So not too much stuff, but I like it. I use it all the time.